there, my beauties. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be diving into the world of Glossier and how their products work on mature skin. So grab a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, and settle in because we are gonna have fun today. If you're not familiar with Glossier, they are a brand that is all about a youthful, effortless beauty, a real glow, young and fresh. So let's see how the different products perform on my mature skin. The first product I want to talk about is the Glossier Future Dew Oil Hybrid Serum. I don't know what magic they put into here, but it truly feels like you've done a 15-step Korean skincare routine all in one step. It's a very non-greasy, non-oily serum that makes you feel so hydrated, so dewy, so glazed, glossy, and gorgeous. I'm serious, when I don't use this, I miss it. I really feel like my skin doesn't look as moisturized, as hydrated, and as pretty throughout the day as when I do use this. It retails for $26 in the US currently, and I am absolutely addicted. The way I like to use this is I take 2 pumps and I spread it all over my face. I put this on like it's moisturizer and I am loving it. It feels so good. By the way, this bad boy is cruelty-free and vegan. It's also non-comedogenic. Did I say that correctly? Non-comedogenic. This will not clog your pores, and it's going to make you feel amazing. Next up is a product that is a little controversial. This is the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. Now, why is it controversial? Because people say that it's pretty non-existent on the skin, but I agree and disagree. I feel like people should understand that this is a skin tint. This is not a foundation. This is a your skin but better, like a kiss of something, a whisper of something on the skin. It's just a hydrating, glowy skin tint that evens out your skin tone a little bit. And I love it for my mature skin because it doesn't get into my fine lines and wrinkles. It doesn't pool around my nose or break up in an unflattering way throughout the day. It just leaves my skin looking really nice and really pretty, just like a little something, just a little something, you know what I mean? I think people are expecting a little bit more, so you have to go in with a realistic understanding of what this product is. It's just a tint. It's just a tint. This product is available in 12 different shades. I happen to be in the shade G9. Honestly, if you kind of pick a color that it seems close to your color, you'll be fine. Like I said, it's a very undetectable, very lightweight product, so it's gonna blend to many skin tones if you're just in the range. So if you're my skin tint, if you're my skin twin, then G9 might be for you. All right, you guys, we have to talk about the Glossier Stretch Concealer. This bad boy is going to be a holy grail of all holy grails for people with mature skin. I heard a lot of mixed reviews about this concealer, but I am so impressed. It is the most creamy, dreamy concealer. It is very lightweight, so light under the eyes, but it just gives you that bright eye, bright under eye without ever caking. It never creases on me. I heard some people on YouTube, I saw a lot of different reviews saying that it was super creasy, and I just don't know how. I feel like I put on a very generous amount underneath my eyes, and it never cakes or creases on me. It always looks very moisturized under my eyes when I use this concealer, and you can use it all around your face to give you that little something something. It taps out and it blends out like an absolute dream. It is not high coverage. That's the only thing. It's not super high coverage, but as you can see, it really brightens up the areas that I put it on. And for people with a dry, dehydrated under eye, this is the jam. This is so good. I can never, ever, ever, ever be without it again. Holy grail of all holy grails, I'm telling you. I happen to be in the color G11. It comes in 12 shades and it retails in the US for about $20. After I put on my skin tint, I like to go in with the Glossier Skywash in the color Pebble on my eyes, and I use this as my eyelid primer. This color is a very undetectable shade on my skin tone. It has a very slight purple hue to it, but the liquid to powder finish really sets down my eyelid so nicely. It has a very easy to use doe foot applicator. I find that it is not messy at all, and it does leave my eyelids very satin and silky, and it does not crease or budge on me all day long. I happen to have the color Pebble and I have the color Terra, which I will be putting on in a little bit and showing you guys. And I plan on buying all of the shades, except they do have this one like yellow orangey color that I'm not gonna get. Well, it's not orange, it's green. Not gonna get that one. These are available in 7 different shades, and I plan on collecting most of them because I find them so easy and fun to work with. My eyelids are nice and primed. I like to go ahead and do my brows, and I feel like Glossier is very well known for their 2 brow products, the Boy Brow and also the Brow Flick. My brows happen to be very fine and very sparse, so I always go in with my tried and true IT Cosmetics Brow Powerful. I brush through my brows and I give myself a little bit of shape and definition with this pencil first, and then I like to go in with the Brow Flick next to give myself a little bit of definition. The Brow Flick retails in the US for $18 currently and is available in 3 different shades. I happen to be in the shade Brown. It has a very nice pen-like applicator, and I find it easy to move through the brows, very easy to use. This product does not smear and doesn't disappear on me throughout the day, so this is a winner. When the Brow Flick dries down a little bit, I like to go through and give myself a little bit of thickness using the Glossier Boy Brow. Now, this product is so cult. Everybody loves the Boy Brow because it is a very lightweight brow pomade that isn't too harsh. It doesn't get cakey or crease up or bunch up or ball up like other products can. It moves through the brows very easily. It's very lightweight, but it does keep my brows in place. I'm in the color Brown, and it's currently available in 5 different colors, including clear. At this point in my makeup routine, I like to set down my face a tiny bit and just bring down the glow without getting rid of the glow. I didn't buy the Glossier Wowder, which is their loose powder. I use my e.l.f. setting powder with my StansOut sponge. This sponge is so amazing. I'm gonna leave a link to it below in the description box because it kind of has like a memory foam kind of texture. It is so soft. It washes really, really well. And I love to put on makeup with it, set my makeup down with it. It's just amazing. Now to give a little pop to the eye, I go in again with my Glossier Skywash, this time in the color Terra. It's kind of like a very neutral reddish brown, and it blends out like a dream on the eyelid. It doesn't cake up or crease even on top of the other eye wash. It's very, very buildable, and it's just super fast and easy. I love the color, and I don't find that it fades throughout the day. Very high quality, very nice product. Up next is the Glossier Lash Slick Mascara. I was very pleasantly surprised by this mascara. It currently retails in the US for $18. It comes in 2 different shades, black and brown, and it is a very natural looking, non-clumpy mascara. This mascara pleasantly surprised me. It does such a nice job. It's natural looking. It doesn't ever feel crusty or cakey. It never flakes on me, so it's perfect for even my lower eyelashes, and it gives a long, defined, volumized look without ever giving you spider lashes. It's nice. It's a great mascara. We'll purchase again. For a day-to-day mascara, this is great. So the product that I was most excited to use and to buy from Glossier is their Cult Cloud Paint Blush. But guess what? They were 100% sold out when I went to Sephora. Cloud Paint retails currently in the US for $20 and it comes in 8 shades, and all 8 were completely sold out. That is how popular they are. For today's purposes, I ended up using another cream blush. It is in the color Frenchie by the company Saint, and I love their cream blushes, and I figured today it'll do since I didn't have any cloud paint, but I will be either ordering on Sephora online or just going back to the store many times in order to get all of the colors that I want. I want to try Poppy, I want to try Dusk, I want to try just all of them. Last but certainly not least, we are going to talk about the Glossier Ultra Lip Lipstick. This is another holy grail product for me. It's a beautiful, soft and silky lipstick that's more of a lip balm, and I happen to have it in the color Villa. It is a beautiful dusty rose color that is extremely glossy and comfortable on the lips. For a mature lip, this is a dream come true because it stays put. It's extremely moisturizing, but it does not bleed into the very fine lines and wrinkles that we may have around our lips. It retails currently in the US for $18 and it comes in 9 different shades. You guys are going to love this. I also want to try their Generation G lipsticks and get their lip gloss. So I will report back soon. And there you have it, my friends. Glossier makeup is a true delight on mature skin. It just enhances your natural beauty and gives you a radiant, beautiful glow. And also, this just shows you that age ain't nothing but a number. And just because a brand may cater to a certain demographic doesn't mean that mature babes like us can't rock the look. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss out on any of the fun. And until next time, bye.